How to fix your Instagram app not updating to the latest version. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Instagram app not updating to its latest version. So let us begin. The first thing you might want to do is head over to your settings, and on your settings, simply go to General, and under General, head over to iPhone Storage, and right there you will need to find the Instagram app. Now you can wait while this loads, and after it loads, simply head over to Instagram and then offload the app. To offload the app, simply tap on offload, confirm it, and reinstall it. What that will do is it will clear all of its cache, and after you reinstall it, it should be reinstalled with the latest version. Now if that does not work, what you can do is you can simply restart your iPhone once. So to restart it, you can use your accessibility tool, or you can simply restart using your power button. And after you do that, your problem should get fixed. Now, if that does not fix your problem, the reason why your Instagram is not updating to its latest version might be because your iPhone or iOS does not support the latest version. To fix that, all you need to do is update your iOS. To do that, simply head over to General on your settings and go to Software Update. Now under Software Update, if you have a software update available, make sure that you update the software, and after you do so, you're good to go. And that is basically how you fix the problem, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.